Assalamualaikum, Dr. Maya here. Today I will tell you the important MCQs that are related to the dislocation of the hip joint. As we know that the acetabulum and the femur make the hip joint, right? And this joint can dislocate. So the head of the femur can dislocate anteriorly and the posteriorly. Mostly it dislocates posteriorly. It can dislocate inferiorly, right? So how examiner can ask you the important questions regarding this topic. As we can see that in first two pictures there is a posterior hip dislocation, right? This is the posterior hip dislocation. So we can see that in this diagram clearly that the legs are adducted. They are closely related. They are close to each other. This is the adduction and this is internally rotated, right? This is an important thing. So the legs are internally rotated and the legs are adducted when there is a posterior hip dislocation, while when there is an anterior hip dislocation, as we can see that there is the head of the femur is dislocated anteriorly. What will happen? The legs will be abducted, right? So there is an abduction. This is a very important thing, right? So this is there is a adduction and this is the abduction in the anterior dislocation. So just you have to remember this thing. So how examiner can ask the questions? Number one, a patient presents with dashboard injury. So the mode of injury is very important. Plus the legs are adducted, which is a very important point, and internally rotated. There is a shortening of leg. What will be your answer? Posterior dislocation of the hip joint, right? So important thing is that the legs are adducted and internally rotated, right? So how you will remember just one day before exams, right? As we know that adduction in so we can make the mnemonic like in when legs are adducted, they are close to each other, right? Number one point. Number second point is that when something is internally rotated, again it is close to something. So this is the positive sign. When two things are close to each other, there is a love. So two things will be close to each other. So this is the positive sign, right? P for posterior, P for positive sign. So what is the positive sign? When two things are close to each other, mean adducted and internally rotated. So this is the way you can remember, right? This is the way often I remember the things. Another important scenario. A patient came with the history of fall, right? So I have just added a clue, right? A patient came in your OPD with a history of fall, plus the leg is abducted, so it is for, okay? Plus there is a leg shortening, plus there will be external rotation. This is the important thing. So what will be your answer? Anterior dislocation of the hip joint. So A for anterior, A for apart, two things are apart. So A for anterior, A for legs are abducted, right? And of course when the word external rotation is used, externally mean of course apart thing, right? So this is a mnemonic how you can remember the anterior dislocation of the hip joint. And the most important scenario of the examiners or of my teacher was, if a patient has history of any joint dislocation, right, any type of joint, and now he comes to you and the x-ray shows that the joints has osteophytes, the osteopenia mean there is a deformity, there is a permanent deformity. What will you do? What is the best treatment? The best treatment is the total joint replacement. This is the most important scenario asked in our exams in different ways. Sometimes they given or mentioned that there is an elbow joint, sometimes knee joint, sometimes hip joint, and they mostly the hip joint and the knee joint. The examiner asked that the patient has a history of dislocation and now he came with an x-ray that showed that there is a osteophytes or osteopenia. What you will do? The answer will be, we will do the total joint replacement.